This is how powerful a single U.S. Navy destroyer is. If you ask about the Zumwalt ship, no, we are not discussing this ship. What I mean is a ship with a long legacy. Yes, the Arleigh Burke destroyer, the behemoth of naval warfare, boasting a formidable array of capabilities that make it a force to be reckoned with on the high seas. This ship stands at an impressive 505 feet in length, with a beam of 66 feet and a draft of 31 feet. Its design incorporates stealth techniques, such as angled surfaces and a raked tripod mainmast, which significantly reduce its radar cross-section, making it harder to detect by enemy radar systems. This design also allows for high speeds, 30 knots or 35 miles per hour, in high sea states and improved seakeeping ability, making it an agile and versatile platform for a variety of missions. The Arleigh Burke-Class destroyer is heavily armed, with over 90 missiles at its disposal. These include anti-aircraft missiles, land attack missiles, and ship-to-ship missiles, providing the capability to engage multiple targets simultaneously. A 5-inch naval gun, which provides close-range firepower. 6 Mk-46 torpedoes for underwater warfare, enhancing its anti-submarine capabilities. Phalanx Close-In Weapon System, Sea-Whiz, for point defense against air and surface threats, with some ships equipped with CRAM Sea-Whiz for improved self-defense. 2 25mm Mk-38 machine gun systems, one on each side of the ship, designed to counter fast surface craft. Directed energy weapon that can target unmanned vehicles, equipped on some ships. Optical Dazzling Interdictor Navy, Odin. The Arleigh Burke-Class destroyer is equipped with advanced radar systems, including the AN-SPY-1D passive electronically scanned array, which allows for continuous target tracking and scanning. This radar system is integrated with the ship's AN-SQQ-89 ASW system, enhancing its ability to detect and track submarines. The destroyer's sensors also include the AN-SLQ-32 electronic warfare suit, which can jam targeting and provide anti-ship missile guidance.